Welcome to our channel. Today we how to pin a comment on your YouTube video, creator tips step by step clearly. Open YouTube on your computer or the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in to the Google account that owns the channel. Go to your channel page by tapping your profile icon and selecting your channel. Find the video where you want to pin a comment and open it. Scroll down to the comments section under the video. If comments are not visible, check that the video has comments enabled in YouTube Studio. To pin your own comment, click or tap the comment box and write your message. Keep your pinned comment short, helpful, and easy to read for new viewers. Add a clear call to action like a question, a link to another video, or key timestamps. Click or tap comment to publish your comment. If you want to pin someone else's comment, locate the comment you want to highlight. Click the three-dot menu next to that comment. Select Pin from the menu options. When YouTube asks for confirmation, choose Pin again to confirm. Check that the pinned comment now appears at the top of the comment section. Look for the small label that indicates the comment is pinned by the channel owner. If you do not see the pin option, confirm you are using the correct channel account. On mobile, if menus do not appear, update the YouTube app to the latest version. If the comment is held for review, approve it first in YouTube Studio before pinning. To manage comments faster, open YouTube Studio and go to the Comments tab. Find the same comment in YouTube Studio and use the menu to pin it there as well. To unpin a comment, open the three-dot menu on the pinned comment. Choose Unpin to remove it from the top position. Replace it by pinning a new comment if you want to highlight updated info. Use pinned comments to correct errors, share important links, or announce giveaways. Avoid spammy text, too many links, or misleading claims in your pinned comment. Review your pinned comment regularly to keep it relevant to the video content. Reply to the pinned comment thread to keep engagement active and visible. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.